Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 Lariat. Coming in this nice black color, and this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the tow and haul package, mobile office package, bed utility package, and the black appearance package. Taking a look at the back here, we do get rear park sensing, that classic tow hitch, backup camera. We do get a Pro Access tailgate with this vehicle as well, which allows you to have easier access to your tailgate. We get a spray-in Bedliner. You got little lights back here that you can turn on and off, hooks and doodads to hold your gear down, and all that fun. You do get a 120-volt outlet back here, which is pretty cool. You got little measurements on the tailgate as well. It is powered, and let's just say you are carrying a lot of stuff in your hands and you want to lift up your gate. All you have to do, lift this up and it will go up automatically. We do have mud flaps on the rear, a nice black platformed gripped running board with side view camera, spotlights, turn light indicated, mud flaps on the front with a black hood deflector. We do get front park sensing, 2 recovery hooks, license plate bracket, block heater, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, plenty of door space, B&O sound system, carpet interior with floor mats, flat fold storage system, split folding rear bench seat, which is pretty nice for extra storage. You got cup holders, heated back seats, 2 USB-Cs, 120 volt, and of course you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, power door mirrors, memory seating for up to 3 drivers, B&O sound system, parking brake, pedal adjusters, lights, spotlights, and auto stop auto start, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 13.8 kilometers. We do have a heated leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at our screen here, we do get my view, trip and feel, your heads-up display, which you can sort of kind of see on the vehicles ahead of me. Just limit your distractions so you can keep your eyes on the road. Gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we have our gear select, park, and speeds. We do get collapsible capabilities, storage, cup holders, wireless charging pad, USB and USB-C. That does close. Got your center console with an interior work surface. You can put your laptop here or your meal, whatever you prefer, with additional storage underneath. We do get our drive modes, rear lock and diff, and 4-wheel drive, trailer brake, pro trailer assist, push button start, heated and cooled front seats with that heated steering wheel, dual climate, 12 volt and 120, storage above and below, storage right here, park assist. You do get BLUECRUISE with this vehicle, which is Ford self-driving with a nice powered rear window opener. We do get our features for our twin panel moonroof as well, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle and a nice garage door transmitter. Looking here, we do have our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. You got your phone, navigation, Fave app, messaging, email, zone lighting, power tailgate, whatever you select there. Apps in general, or any apps you have downloaded, will show up right here with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You got your settings, your basic vehicle settings. You do get personal profiles, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FA63468, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.